Happy New Year, my elegant loves. I know we're already a little into 2025, but this is our first video of the year. And what better way to start than with the most romantic and glamorous date night looks for Valentine's Day? Whether you're celebrating with your love, your besties, or just treating yourself, I have 21 dreamy, elegant, and refined outfits that will make you feel like a goddess. Let's dive right in. A vision in soft lilac. This off-shoulder midi dress flows beautifully, perfect for a riverside candlelit dinner. Paired with delicate silver jewelry, a satin mini clutch, and white strappy heels, this is romance in motion. Nothing says Valentine's like a scarlet red silk slip dress. With a sultry draped neckline and thigh-high slit, this look is all about old Hollywood elegance. Soft waves, diamond jewelry, and a black velvet clutch complete this timeless date night look. If you love soft feminine hues, this lavender satin one-shoulder dress is everything. Styled with a low bun, soft lavender makeup, and silver accessories, it's perfect for a private candlelit beach dinner under the stars. Want to bring drama? A black velvet off-shoulder gown with a corset bodice and thigh-high slit is the ultimate power move. Add smoky eyes, voluminous waves, and gold statement jewelry, and you'll turn every head at an upscale hotel soiree. For a soft, ethereal vibe, an ivory satin halter gown is a dream. The pearl-accented chignon and delicate diamond jewelry make this look perfect for a private candlelit dinner by the ocean. Picture the soft breeze, the warm glow of lights. Perfection. A blush pink silk gown with a draped cowl neckline. Elegant, feminine, and effortlessly glamorous. Add romantic waves, rose gold earrings, and a pearl-encrusted clutch, and you're set for a magical garden dinner under fairy lights. Deep and mysterious, this midnight blue satin slip dress is for the woman who owns the night. Styled with silver jewelry and a sleek bun, it's made for a chic rooftop bar with city skyline views. Want to shine? A gold sequin one-shoulder dress will make you the center of attention. A sleek bun, golden makeup, and diamond earrings complete this luxurious grand ballroom look. A corset-style ruby red dress is the definition of classic romance. Styled with side-swept curls, red lips, and diamond chandelier earrings, it's perfect for historic library dates surrounded by leather-bound books and candlelight. Soft, golden, and dreamy. This champagne satin midi dress is a must-have. Paired with diamond earrings and gold accessories, it's the ideal look for a luxurious lounge with plush velvet seating. Make a statement with an oversized red bow on a bodycon midi dress. This bold and elegant look, paired with sleek hair and gold accessories, is perfect for a private greenhouse dinner surrounded by roses and fairy lights. Soft pink chiffon, ruffles, and a corset bodice. Pure romance. A braided updo and rose gold jewelry complete this dreamy indoor dinner look with floating candles and heart-shaped balloons. A rosy mauve one-shoulder dress is chic yet playful. With a sleek high ponytail and dainty jewelry, it's perfect for a candlelit terrace dinner under fairy lights. An off-shoulder red bodycon dress with ruching? Absolutely iconic. Styled with Hollywood waves and gold jewelry, this is a must for a Michelin-starred restaurant date. Soft and sultry, a mocha satin midi dress with long sleeves gives that understated elegance. Perfect for a cozy upscale lounge with candlelit ambiance.
I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Hop in your come on the way, am I in the way? I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Tell you that I'm on the way.
A red velvet off-shoulder mermaid gown with lace sleeves, pure drama and sophistication. Old Hollywood waves and a crystal clutch make this look ideal for a luxury candlelit dinner with classical music playing in the background. For an ultra-romantic date, a blush satin slip dress with lace detailing is the perfect choice. Picture this look on a Venetian-inspired gondola ride with floating lanterns. Absolutely magical. A chocolate brown velvet wrap dress with gold accessories is rich and refined, ideal for a dimly lit jazz club with vintage decor and live music. This silk chocolate brown midi dress with an asymmetrical neckline brings elegance with a hint of edge. Add voluminous curls and gold jewelry for a chic jazz club evening with cocktails. Bordeaux red lace, sheer sleeves, and a scalloped hem create a vintage meets modern look. Paired with a classic French twist and diamond jewelry, it's perfect for a romantic speakeasy date. And finally, whether you're going for soft and feminine or bold and dramatic, each of these looks will have you feeling like the most elegant and confident version of yourself this Valentine's Day. Ladies, I hope you loved these 21 elegant, chic, and refined Valentine's date night looks. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more timeless fashion inspiration. Wishing you the most magical and stylish Valentines. See you in the next video.